everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful pattern. It has this beautiful small ring pattern. See, wrong side looks like this. You can use this pattern in your baby sweater, lady sweater, cardigan, blanket, baby's blanket. See, so this is only 6 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast 10 multiples of 4 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 4 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 14 stitches on my needle, which is 14 stitches on my needle, which is 4 plus 4 plus 4, 3 times 4 12 and plus 2 edge stitch 14. So row 1 right side, knit all stitches, row 1 right side, knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch slip on the wrong side, slip purlwise on the wrong side, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1, and we are going to make this ring pattern, this pattern. So to make this pattern, to make this ring, yarn in back first, and you are going to insert your right hand needle into this stitch like so, and we are going to wrap around these 2 stitches 12 times. So wrap around 12 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12 times, and you are gonna do like this, right, 12 times, and do like this, and then you're gonna bring this loop here and scoop it like so, and now release these loops like this, and now pull this yarn, your working yarn, slowly like so. See, slowly. Now we have this ring, and then knit 1, see, and then purl 1. After knit 1, purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, make a ring here, knit 1 and purl 1. Repeat that again. Purl 1, yarn in back, insert your right hand needle, and then we're going to wrap 12 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 times, and then wrap this needle and scoop this stitch, and then release this yarn and pull your working yarn slowly, see, and then knit 1, purl 1. See, we have done 2 repeats. We have one more repeat. Repeat that again. Purl 1, yarn in back, insert your right hand needle and wrap around 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And one more time. And now release this loop and pull it slowly. Knit 1 and purl 1. So we have done 3 repeats, and after I finish all repeats, for a last edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Now row 3, right side. Row 3, right side, knit all stitches. Row 4, wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5, right side. Row 5, right side, knit all stitches. Row 6. Now on row 6 we are going to alternate these rings. Now we are going to knit these rings in between of these two here and here. So row 6, your edge stitch slip purl wise on the wrong side, and before you start the repeat, first purl 1, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 2, 1, 2, purl 2, and we are going to make a ring here into this 2 stitch. So yarn in back first, insert your right hand needle and wrap around these 2 needles, 1 to 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, and release this loop and then pull it slowly. And knit 1. Knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2 and make this ring here. Again purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, wrap around 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then release this loop and then pull it slowly. knit 1, we have done 2 repeats, and from here to here 2 repeats, and your last 4 stitch purl 3, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Row 7, for row 7 knit all stitches. Row 8, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat this. Now repeat this 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.